Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Samsung Galaxy A20s. So, at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Now choose one of them. I'm always using the EasyFax. So we have to open it. Now add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Add a document by this little plus and choose one of the source. I will pick something from your gallery. Just select it. Of course you can select more than one picture and click import. Now you can add this shape to the document. And if you are ready, click arrow. Okay. Now it's time to choose the filter for it and choose the color to make it more visible for your receiver. You can also add signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you are ready, click accept. Type the number here. And don't forget to choose a country from the list. You can also give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send only this one, just click on this button, buy your credits, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.